What is the predictive signal for the alpha waves? And what's an alpha wave? Yeah, it's the dreamy state. It's like when we go to sleep, we go into alpha waves and our mind is no longer really thinking and so on and so forth. And so I'm going to be giving you a lot of scientific information about this so that you know that this is a scientific process of the brain that is very, very, very popular right now about how the brain works. The biology tells us that the sudden flash of insight that precedes such an aha moment is characteristic of many types of cognitive processes, right? Which means you're thinking, you're in the middle of problem solving, trying to figure out a problem, your memory retrieval, the language comprehension, and various forms of creativity before you get to the answer or the creative thought or whatever. What happens is this flash. There's a literal flash. You know, we have the light bulb above people's head that is the symbol of like, oh, I got it, oh, I learned it, or whatever. That's literal. Our brain actually does have a flash that goes off at that moment that we're laughing, at the moment that the insight comes in or whatever. So it's fascinating, and that is where we need to gather our wisdom so that when we're making the decisions that we're making, that we're allowing that pathway to open up as much as possible. So the purpose of learning about optimal wisdom learning is so that we can in fact become aware of how each one of us has our aha or owl moments. To me, an aha moment turns to an owl moment when it is no longer random. Because right now it's like, you know, oh, there you are driving down the road and, oh gosh, that was the last name of that person I was trying to think of. Or, you know, there you are, you know, ready to go to sleep and poof, okay, now I know I should buy the red dress. So rather than just getting the answers at random, that we should be ready to receive answers randomly. And actually, the more we become aware of it, the highway between the right and the left brain that allows that wisdom to come in will get stronger and bigger and so on, and so that we can actually access wisdom more, thus making what? Better decisions.